For message retrieval, this is actually, with regards to network following, one of the hardest problems to solve in a decentralized system. Because imagine there's 200 nodes as there currently are. You don't want to every single second have to ping every single node of the network to check every single node if you've got a message on it. That'd be a little bit insane. So it's currently designed to store your messages for 1 week. It doesn't store them forever. We may be able to expand that as time goes on, but the 1 week is for the current storage available. It's designed for the current storage available, making sure that we don't run out of space at the nodes. What happens is that when a team finishes mixing, it gets output, and each output is an end-to-end encrypted message, which then relates to a specific user. It tells you who it's for, but it doesn't tell you where it's from. And that's kind of the point here. It disassociates sender from receiver. And what happens is the gateway uses a gossip to tell the other gateways, hey, I've got messages for this list of people. And then the gateways build these things called Bloom filters, which is a theoretical thing in computer science, where it's a data structure which lets you know probabilistically if something is in a set. So in other words, let's get less technical. You can check to see if your message is in a Bloom filter, and it will then tell you if it is or not, with some probability of failure. The failure will always tell you that it is there when it isn't. And it's this compression mechanism, so we can give you these short proofs that let you know where your message is to pick them up while using little bandwidth. So clients pull, they get these Bloom filters, they get some other object called known rounds, and they combine this together to understand where they've got messages available. I think that this system, what we've built, it's really designed for mobile use. So what we end up doing is this system is a privacy to performance trade-off, because you do have to gossip this information. But in the future, we'll have options like pushing specific IP addresses for non-mobile use, and people can set up their own mailboxes. I don't think this is the end-all be-all, but it is the kind of basal case that works across the board, so it's what we've implemented. And as the network grows, and as there'll be more options where people can select trade-offs for themselves, and I think that's a very important part of this, where individual users are kind of in control of their own data, they're in control of their own metadata, and they're in control of their own decisions. It's a key idea.